Hello there everyone and welcome back guys. So today guys I want to share this short video on this iron remover from Kleen called Dragon's Blood. The reason why is because this is one of the cheapest iron removers out there, and iron removers can be very expensive. I will show you how I'm going to use it on wheels. Very briefly going to show you how I'm using it on the paint. Got this product from Amazon. It cost me 25 pounds for 5 liters, which makes it very cost effective. So let's get into the video.
So this is our test subject today. The wheels haven't been cleaned for 3 weeks, and VW group cars as a rule have very soft brake pads and they throw a lot of brake dust onto the wheel. So the goal here is to remove the iron particles that are bonded to the wheel. However, here I tried to use the product as a wheel pre-wash, but honestly it struggled to chew through that initial layer of dirt and grime, so I simply think it's not worth using it as a wheel pre-wash. Dedicated wheel cleaning products like Bilhamber Auto Wheel would probably do a better job on the pre-wash because it also degreases the wheel. However, this product seems to be primarily attacking the iron particles only. And as you can see, there is not that much dirt that has been removed, so it's simply not worth using for a pre-wash. However, I think the best way to use this product is by simply cleaning the wheel with your dedicated wheel cleaner first. And as you can see here, I'm doing a pre-wash, and then I'm going to use Autobar Direct Wheel and Tire Cleaner. The thing is, a dedicated wheel cleaner will probably remove the majority of the iron particles that are sitting on top of the wheel. Maybe it will tackle the bonded ones as well, depending how bad the wheel is. Kleen's Dragon Blood can also be used for the wheel contact wash, and that might help with some baked on brake dust. I also like reutilizing the old bottles, so I put this product into a Bilhamber Auto Wheel bottle. So I'm applying the product on a wet wheel. I believe that the water that's on the surface will help the product to stay longer and prevent it from drying quicker. Also worth mentioning, the conditions are perfect for applying an iron remover here, because initially it was about 10 degrees outside with no direct sunlight pointing at the wheel. As you can see guys, the product is tackling some of those iron particles here. Even though the wheel is cleaned on a regular basis, there are still some iron particles that sort of bond to the wheel and it cannot be removed with the wheel cleaner. So it would be nice to use this product maybe perhaps every 3 months, I would say, 4 times a year. It would definitely keep the wheel on top of its cleanliness. So Kleen suggests that this product can be used pretty much on all exterior surfaces. But obviously you need to be very cautious, especially with not letting the product to dry, and also make sure you rinse it off properly. It does take some time for the product to fully react with the particles. I would say anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes before you see some serious bleeding going on. However, this car is very clean. You won't see a lot of bleeding. But overall, the user experience is very good. I mean, it doesn't stink that much as some iron removers do. So overall, I think it's a good product, especially for the money and its versatility. The fact that you can use it not only on the wheels, but also on the exterior surfaces. It simply works. So thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next videos.